Babe, kanina ka pang hindi nagsasalita dyan ah. Kala ka ba magbabanding tayo? Yun di ba yung reason na in-invite mo ako dito, di ba? Then, bakit ka hindi nagsasalita? Ha? Did I do something wrong? May nagawa ba ako na bigyan mo ng silent treatment? Tignan mo naman ako. Like, I'm very, very like, I'm sad right now because hindi mo ko pinapansin. You've been on your phone the whole time we've been hanging out. Ano bang bonding? Anong bang klaseng bonding yun? May bonding ba na ganun? Na you're on your phone and hindi ka naman na magmamansin sa akin. Parang mas mahal mo pa nga yung phone mo kaysa sa akin eh. Sabi niya guys, smile niya ako. Pero she doesn't pansin me. She doesn't make chika. And she invited me to hang out with her and cuddle and kiss and spend quality time with each other. Pero alam mo yung ginawa niya? This whole time, nag-sit lang kami sa couch and then nag-transfer kami sa bed and then she's still on her phone. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, you invited me because you wanted us to spend quality time with each other and you're spending time on your phone. Ano bang klaseng bonding yun? I'm not mad. I'm just asking what I did wrong. Why you're suddenly acting so quiet. Alam mo, may mga araw na hindi ka nagsastop mag-yap. Or hindi ka nagsastop na tell your stories about your day, how detailed, like, how you saw a cat on the street, nakita mo yung cat, and then you found it cute, and then it was color orange with a hint of white, and then you saw another cat which is black cat, and then a white cat. It's so detailed. And I love that kind of you. The yapper you. Okay, let's just say the yapper you. I like how you basta nagandaan lang ako na magsabihin mo yung mga how your day went, mga experiences, ganon. I just like hearing your thoughts. Alam mo yun. Hindi sinasabi ko sa'yo, if this is one of your pranks again, if this is one of those pranks again, I swear to God, sinasabi ko sa'yo, if prank to na you're ignoring me, tas you're giving me a silent treatment, sinasabi ko talaga sa'yo. Sinasabi ko talaga sa'yo. Oh my God. Pansinin mo na kasi ako. I've been staring at you for a whole 11 minutes. Tas hindi ka na namamansin. What is going on with you today? Wala naman akong ginawang masama, diba? We were fine yesterday. We were fine this morning, and then suddenly nag-quiet ka. Pansinin mo na ba ako? Pansinin mo na ba ako if ganun yung ginawa ko? Hindi mo pala kaya magbigay ng silent treatment eh, kasi tiklop ka agad sa kisses. Hindi ka bagay sa mga prank. Kasi ikaw mismo yung pinaka-clingy sa atin. Mag-prank-prank ka pa dyan. Natiklop ka naman agad sa cases.